is René Gürker. I'm the founder and CEO of bigrep. Bigrep is the global leader for affordable large-scale printing. We are somewhat 3.5 years old, and we have printers all around the world on every continent. We're not only on the European market very actively, but globally. We position ourselves as the leader of large-scale printing. So our current big models print 1 by 1 by 1 meter, and it's mostly used for prototyping, or as you can see, also for furniture that can be end-usable. And we have so many printers in place that we're getting great feedback from our customers. So in order to that, we have a chance to apply more and more materials that will cater large-scale printing. And most of our users are really industrial users, so there's no maker scene using our printer. It's really for industrial 24/7 use. So my long-term objective is definitely to cater to industrial applications. I think 3D printing in the last couple of years was a little bit too hyped, and this took away some of our future perspectives that we had. I'm not a believer that we will all have a 3D printer at home, but if we want to print industrial-grade materials and industrial objects, it needs professional printers. And this is what bigrep is doing. Even though our printers are still affordable, it's an industrial machine made in Germany. So the market bigrep is currently in is definitely in prototyping. That is also due to the material that can be used today. But I see the biggest growth definitely in end-usable part in the manufacturing business. I don't think we will completely change the world of manufacturing, but it will be a new technology that is coming into a daily manufacturing or production plant. So what 3D printing is going to be, it's going to make iterations faster, it's going to make customized products way better available, and it's going to give the user or the customer the chance to really work on single batches or small batches in order to produce objects. If you look at markets that are still not doing 3D printing, it's mostly the ones in mass production. I think we need to change that, because mass production is also the main reason for a lot of congestion, a lot of air pollution and all of that. And I think we all need to work on that to go to lower volumes and get into markets that are those mass production markets, and make them mass customized markets. So our expectation to Formnext has been reached already. It's the third day. We had a great 2 days so far. We have 2 more days to go. We're packed all day. There's so much interest. For us, it's very nice to have all of our team here to get to know the customers even better. And yeah, to write orders. This is what we're all in the business for. The big announcements for bigrep is that we're expanding globally. So we have very stable products, we have industrial grade products, but we also have global services. We have an office in Germany, in Berlin, to cater the European market, but we have a huge office now in the US with a big team, so we can do North and South America, but we also have a team in Singapore, in APEC. So we are globally. bigrep is reachable 22 hours a day. There's only 2 hours when our office is closed, so it's very important to cater the customer and to have a good customer experience, and this is our biggest announcement that we're doing here, to open up more offices globally. Well, first of all, bigrep has a lot of experience because we have hundreds of printers in the market. So customers are using our printers every day. We get a lot of feedback that is put into the printers again, and we'll make even better printers based on that feedback. Until today, I almost must say, after almost 3.5 years, we have only had 1 printer that was completely exchanged. All the other printers are daily in use, and they're working 24/7. A last word to everybody who is not experienced in 3D printing yet: join our classes and academy that we do, and come to one of our offices in Brooklyn, in Berlin, or in Singapore to get to know bigrep a little better and more about industrial 3D printing.